Who's that? Is that the daddy? Where's the mommy?
Mommy.
No, that's the baby. That's the baby. Where's the mommy? That's a bus, silly girl. That's a bus. Verity, where's your bottle? Where's Verity's bottle? Can you get it? Can you get your bottle? No, that. Where are you going? Verity, where's your bottle? There it is. Do you see it? Why are you looking over there? Oh my gosh, how did you just find that? Yeah, that's your baby's bottle. Good job. There's baby's bottle. Good job. Oh. Verity Bell, you don't go up those stairs. Yeah. Mommy says no. You do not yell. A moment. Oh boy. Okay, hold on.